Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Department. Join our Artificial Intelligence Department and embark on a journey that will shape the world as we know. At the age of technologies, AI is at the forefront of innovation, and our department is the gateway to this exciting world.
Data scientists with artificial intelligence is in great demand.
Our dedicated and experienced faculties are experts in their respective fields, ensuring that our students receive best possible guidance and mentorship. We are also connected with industry expertise to learn various AI tools and applications. Our department offers peer support to the students individually.
MRCAS Edge is one of our standalone features. The availability of value-added courses are designed to enhance students' skills and knowledge beyond their regular curriculum.
A fantastic brain in AI will get $1,200,000 per annum, which is equal to 10 crore Indian rupees per annum, which is not a small amount.
Online courses like GUI, HCL, NPTEL SWIME and Infosys Springboard offers a learning personality and boost for the career advancement.
Our department hosts a variety of events throughout the year. We are enriched with AI Professional Computer Society Club and competitions throughout the year.
Our lab infrastructure is designed with the trending softwares. Intensive training from the first year paves the way for the practical learning and professional development.
Don't miss your chance to be at the part of AI innovation. Join us and let's create more connected, smarter and better future together.
I understand that Manikam Ramaswami College for Arts and Science has started BSc ComputerScience with AI. It's a terrific opportunity for people in and around Madurai. I wish you avail such kind of opportunities and make a change in your career. All the best.